I'm Bobby Childs, and you're watching AdventuresInWhiskey.com. So this is our first video review, and I thought we'd take a look at Knob Creek 2001. It's the newest edition from Knob Creek. About 12,000 bottles are around, about 130 bucks a pop, and they're being released in 3 batches. Batch 1 is a little sweet and favors the caramel and vanilla notes a little bit more. Batch 2 tends to be a little bit on the oakier side, and batch 3 is a nice balance. Let's take a look. Really rich. Vanilla. Oak. Honey roasted nuts. Peanuts. Now the oak is there, but it comes across a little dusty, almost on the brink of it being a little bit too old. Let's give it a taste. One more taste. The first thing you get hit is there's a big wave of vanilla that hits you. Then some of the richness starts to come in. Cream caramel, kind of burnt toffee, a little bit of cinnamon. There's a nice wave of cinnamon following that. Vanilla, caramel, the cinnamon comes in. It's not cinnamon candy like you get in, sometimes you get like Red Hots in a whiskey. It's not like this. This is more like you're chewing on cinnamon bark. And then right at the back end, right towards the finish, is where you get a little bit more of that burnt sugar, like you've put some some sugar in a skillet, and you just kind of a little bit of water, and you're just kind of watching it caramelize. That's what you get on the back end. A big wave of oak comes in and kind of starts to dry everything out. Now the oak is there throughout the entire thing, but it kind of plays a role. It supports all the other flavors. Everything complements the oak. The vanilla, the caramel, the cinnamon, the nuttiness. It all complements the oak. And right at the finish, it just kind of rises. It becomes this big, big note. This is nice. This is the sweeter batch, batch number 1. If batch number 2 is supposed to favor a heavier oak flavor, that might be a bit much. I think this is about as oaky as I want a 14-year-old Knob Creek. Knob Creek itself is already, oak is already a big note in Knob Creek. It's part of the flavor profile. This is 5 years older than a normal Knob Creek. Surprisingly, it's not overly done. So, this is a nice bourbon. First tasting, I really, really enjoy this. I'm going to pour another glass, and I'll see you later. Thanks for joining us.